The time has finally come as the official release and final version of One UI 4 for the Galaxy S21 series is now available and live as of the 15th of November 2021. One UI 4 will be coming to other Galaxy devices over a staggered release period, starting with the Galaxy S21 series right now, all the way through to other devices into 2022. Check the link in the description for the full list of devices getting One UI 4. As you know, we've been covering each beta release extensively, and we stated with the beta 4 release that it was the end game and the final official release was pretty much ready to go. Now we have the official over-the-air OTA update on our unlocked models of the Galaxy S21 and S21 Ultra. We thought it would be no better time than to take you through the final version and official release of One UI 4 with the Galaxy S21. Hi, Ben from Sam Mobile. If you enjoy exclusive and new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with Sam Mobile TV. Here is our overview of the official release version of One UI 4 with Android 12 for the Galaxy S21. If you've been following our beta coverage for One UI 4, then you'll feel right at home with this overview and run through of what is new with One UI 4 with Android 12. We'll be focusing on 17 core areas of One UI 4, so sit back while we take you all through it. First has got to be Material You with color palette. This aesthetically is the biggest change, attraction and foundation to Android 12. Your phone naturally customizes menus, buttons, backgrounds, and apps throughout your whole system UI based on your wallpaper. You can even take it a step further and apply a default color palette to native Samsung apps in One UI 4. This still does not apply to native Google apps, so just bear that in mind. We did not see this in beta 1, so it's good to see Samsung follow through to the final release, as this was a highly demanded feature set people wanted to see. The level of privacy control, access, visibility has greatly improved the One UI 4 and Android 12. This all focuses around having better control, visibility and access to apps and system usage over your phone's camera, microphone, location, and even clipboard for when copying and pasting content. What's great is you can instantly see when an app is accessing your camera or microphone with a green dot and toggle that will appear at the top right as an indicator, which you can then pull down, press, and access for full visibility of what the permissions are enabled for that app. What's even better is that you can now keep your exact location private for each app by setting an approximate tracking to give a general area of where you are, or again, disable it altogether. The reworked privacy dashboard even shows you a detailed look into the last 24 hours of what apps have accessed your camera, microphone, location at specific times, whether when using the app or even in the background. The level of visibility, access and control here is a massive and core improvement to One UI 4 with Android 12, and we are pleased to see it. The experience with the default Samsung keyboard has seen improvements as well. From the typing experience, the spell and punctuation checker is very proactive in ensuring your sentences are always correct in near enough an instant. This is very noticeable as you type and use it daily. Also easier is self-expressions when using a keyboard, which has also been improved. Having quicker access to things like GIFs, emojis, stickers, voice to text, search, handwriting with the S Pen if your device supports it, like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and even more like Translate and YouTube, makes it even more painless of an experience when using a keyboard. From a range of new animated stickers available to use and fresh ones to download, to being able to pair animated emojis, this is the most extensive refresh of the Samsung keyboard in a long while. Another foundation and change to One UI 4 with Android 12 is new widgets and interaction with the home screen. The widgets menu follows a stacked vertical arrangement, which is not only better organized and easier to see, but it also shows you how many widgets each app has so that there's no surprises or guesswork. The widgets themselves have been redesigned, interact better, and also show information that is easier in general to see and follow a more consistent look to One UI with Android 12. The lock screen has also been refined with the ability to handle quick tasks without unlocking your phone, from controlling your music, checking your calendar schedule, or capturing your best ideas. The ability to switch your audio output from your earbuds or speakers from the lock screen to voice recording, checking your calendar and schedule, Bixby routines, digital well-being, the weather, and even your alarm is a great addition to control on your lock screen. The camera UI sees a nice streamlined overview when using it for your pictures and videos. The scene optimizer button only appears in photo mode if there is low light or scanned on a document. The night mode and portrait settings are hidden away in the more section, but you can still add these back in the main selection if you choose to do so. Gone are the pine trees used to represent the magnification of which lens or view you're using in the camera UI. Once pressed, a bottom row of numbered icons highlighted in yellow to show which magnification you are using shows up. The video recording starts straight away after pressing the record button, rather than previously where you had to press and release for the recording to start. In photo mode, you can press and hold the shutter button to start recording and then further drag your finger to the lock icon to continue recording. And also in terms of the Pro mode UI, it sees a redesign for a more streamlined look, making it easier to dial in the control that you want when using Pro mode. For this particular section, I don't have any pets to demo this, but portrait mode now works better on pets for both the front and the rear camera when it comes to pets like cats and dogs. Some portrait effects can only be changed and added after taking a shot. The gallery app sees enhanced stories which auto creates the best highlighted moments of your pictures taken, plus easier album management as well. You can also revert to your remastered pictures at any time after you've saved them. Let's now look at the photo and video editor. With photos and videos, you can add stickers and emojis for a more fun final output. You can create video collages with a mix of videos and also pictures. And also, editing wise, you can change the lighting of a picture if it's too dark or bright with the light balance control. Now, when it comes to AI emoji, you can use your own custom AI emoji for your profile picture in your contacts and across your Samsung account. You can also use stickers of AI emoji and send them to your messages and have full control over the design of your AI emoji, even down to the clothes. When it comes to sharing, you can now customize the list of apps that appear when sharing your content so that the share menu is less cluttered and only the apps you want that are relevant and you use regularly are there. Now, when it comes to the calendar, the new home screen widget for the calendar shows a full month schedule and also your day-to-day schedule as well. You can also add quick events to your calendar as well, plus the ability to share your calendar with other Galaxy users. You can also recover deleted events which are kept in the trash for up to 30 days. The default Samsung Internet app shows improvements with better search suggestions in the address bar when typing. There is also a new search widget for the Samsung Internet which allows you to search directly from the home screen for even quicker access. The Samsung Internet app will even start in secret mode if you were using it previously once you relaunch it fresh. The device care section has seen a nice UI overhaul for a much easier and quicker glance of the current state of your device when it comes to storage, memory, battery, and device protection. The new RAM Plus feature we showcased in Beta 2 is still here, which uses 4GB of internal storage to increase the system RAM amount. There is still no toggle or option to disable this, which we would have loved to have seen in this final version. Overall, the visual look of device care and how the state of your device is showcased with an emoji is a nice, friendly touch. Samsung Health has also seen a nice design overhaul as well, making it nice and easier to track your exercise, sleep, food intake, and more. The 4 tabs at the bottom make it easier to access Home, Together, Fitness, and My Page. You can see a quick summary of your achievements on My Page and your general progress. There are also more food options when recording your food intake and also an easier way to challenge your friends as well with invite links. If you're one to use extensive Bixby routines, then you will be happy to know that there are more conditions that have been added from being able to start a routine from a call or when a certain notification arrives. Overall, you'll find less restrictions, more combinations, and customizations when setting up and using Bixby routines. With accessibility, you can now use floating buttons with key features so you have quicker access to them. There are more eye comfort visibility options to also meet your needs. The extra dim feature, which is one of our favorite showcased in Beta 2, can be accessed as a toggle in a quick settings drop down or as earlier stated, as a floating button as well. You can also customize the flash notifications and an easier magnification window, giving you more options and control. These are the final tidbit additional improvements and features on One UI 4.0. The always on display has seen improvements where you can enable it to turn on whenever you get a notification, add new animation stickers to keep it looking fresh and new. Dark mode has also been enhanced now, where it auto dims wallpapers and icons, and when it comes to the Samsung apps, they have better native dark mode support out of the box. You have a new charging animation when you plug in as well. There is better search in the settings menu, a new driver monitor in the digital well-being menu to help you keep your eyes on the road, and many more. As well, when it comes to the UI navigation, the stretch effect when you hit the end of scrolling has also returned. We did see this removed in beta 4, so it's good to see it back. To top it all off, the thing I noticed instantly compared to the previous betas, even with beta 4, was the overall performance and smoothness, which was noticeably much better, which is great to see in this final build. And just like that, the beta program for One UI 4 is now over. As now, the official OTA update release is now available for the Galaxy S21. Let us know in the comment section below if you've managed to get One UI 4 on your Galaxy S21. And for those who have qualifying devices for One UI 4 later on, let us know what you're most looking forward to in experiencing with One UI 4. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with Sam Mobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.